Hi, I'm Gareth from Big Game Bikes. I wanted to show you today how easy it is to get some tyre sealant into your tyres. I run this in a lot of my bikes, and since running it, I haven't had any punctures. So does that mean that this is doing its job and preventing punctures, or am I just super lucky and I'm not getting any punctures anymore? Gotta be honest, I don't really know, so I'm gonna say that it's because this stuff is working. Let me show you how easy it is to get this into your tyre, and then fingers crossed you can be as puncture lucky as me. What I'd suggest you do is lie your bike down or remove the wheel. Obviously removing the wheel is a bit of a faff and a bit of a pain. You're gonna need a valve removal tool that just slots in, and we can unscrew the valve. Now the reason you want to lie your tyre down is because, as you can see, the tyre's been pushed out of its bead, and if the bike is standing up, then all the weight of the bicycle is going to be on the tyre, and it's going to be really difficult when you re-inflate the tyre to get the bead back on. So get a little pipe, grab your valve, push that on nice and securely. You want to give this a real good shake, just like that. And in a tyre this size, I'm going to put 250 mils of this, and we just really gently pour it in. Grab your valve and let's put that back in the inner tube. Valve core is back in. Look on your tyre or whatever the recommended pressure is. On this bicycle I'm going to do 20 psi, and then we're going to fill the tyre back up again. Now it's important to look at this bead mark that goes around the tyre, and we're just going to want to move the tyre around as we're inflating it to make sure that that is seating nicely. Once you've got a good bit of pressure on the tyre, let's stand the bicycle up and let's make sure that our bead mark is nice and even on both sides. This mark here is the bead line I was talking about. Look at it all the way around the wheel and make sure it's nice and even, and that means the tyre is seated on the rim. We're looking good. I'm going to fill up this tyre and we're done. Valve dust cap back on, and all we need to do now is lift the bike, give the wheel a spin, and that's going to get the tyre sealant moving around inside the wheel. If you get stuck or if you're not sure, get in touch with your local bike shop. This is their bread and butter sort of bike job. Get out there and enjoy your bike.